Chrisman here from R.L. Chrisman Metalworks. I wanted to present a short video today. I've got my Birmingham YCL 1340 metal lathe. I wanted to show you what you could expect to arrive at your door if you order one of these. This is the crate that holds the lathe itself, and these two boxes here hold the stands. Just to show you the size on this, that crate is 76.5 inches long. It is about 29.25 inches wide, and it's 30 inches high. And these two boxes are the stands for the lathe. Altogether, the shipping weight on this is about 1,200 pounds, between 11 and 1,200 pounds. So expect to be able to move something heavy around when it arrives. I was able to put this on some 1.5 inch pipes. I had about 3 of them that I could roll it on. Just keep moving the pipes up in front of it as I was rolling it, and I managed to roll it in here to the shop, get it in position where I want it. Today I'm going to go ahead and open up these boxes so you can see what you've got, and I want to do a quick inventory on the lathe, make sure everything's there that's supposed to be, and just kind of show you what you can expect. And then in some future videos I'm going to be setting it up, getting it all leveled and adjusted, calibrated into specs, and we'll just go through that whole process. Probably won't get to all that tonight. We'll just probably get to the uncrating and possibly the inventory tonight. But this crate, down along the front edge and the back edge, there's 4 nails on each side, nailed into the very bottom part of the crates where the runners are. I've already pulled the 4 out of the back. I'm going to go ahead and pull the 4 out of the front now, and I think that whole box will lift off the bottom of the crate, and then the lathe should be exposed there. So let's get on with that and see what we can find out. First nail. Here's the second one. Okay, there's the nails out of the crate, so that'll come off there when we're ready to take that apart. Let's open up these boxes with the stands and see what we've got here. There's one of the stands. And I believe this one was actually for the headstock end of the lathe, which I believe is over there on this plate. there's the other stand. And like I said, this bigger one should go over here on the headstock end of the lathe, and the smaller one should go on the tailstock end. Move these out of the way for right now. See if we can get this big crate apart. I think this whole thing should lift off here. Got some more nails in the end down here that I forgot to take out. Easier if I had someone else here to help me put this crate off. I think I can get it by myself. Prop that end up with my hammer. There's another nail in it somewhere. see what we've got here a little bit. Here we have the drip pan. Goes underneath the bottom, the chip pan. Should be the guard. I think this is the one that goes down here between the stands. This one here is the rear splash guard, chip guard. Here's some of this bubble wrap. You can see how the lathe comes packaged. Top part of that crate lifts off, and you've got these three pieces in there loose. Here's the book, the inspection record. We'll go through that here in a minute. Let me get this plastic off of here so we can take a little better look at what we've got here. Toolbox comes with the lathe. We'll inventory that here in a little bit and see what we've got in there. I'm sure everything's there, but we'll go through and check everything out. As I said, this is a Birmingham YCL 1340. This happens to be the GK model, not the GH model. Piece there. It comes with the 3-jaw chuck installed. 4-jaw chuck is down here in the crate. It's locked onto the 2x4 on that shaft. These loose pieces out of the way. And I'm not sure where this handle goes. We're missing on there somewhere. Either that or we've got a spare. We'll find out here in a little bit. Steady rest is mounted on there. Follow rest is mounted on the carriage on the side of the saddle there. So we've got a couple more pieces down here. Set those off to the side. Check them off when we do our inventory. Excuse me. There's our faceplate down here too. Let's get that out of there. Here's the faceplate. As you can tell, everything's covered in cosmoline, so part of our process here is going to be cleaning all that off. Got it all over my hands now.